Why is it so difficult to book the function hall?
Sorry, B. Actually, finalo up namin kanina. Kaso nga lang...
Details of your incompetence do not interest me. And tell the advisor I'm not going to approve that draft he sent me for the stage layout. I asked for clean, muted, and minimal. He sent me maasim, makalat, madumi. Is it so hard to overturn his millennial taste? Am I reaching for the stars here? No. Send RSVP yes to that tree planting and tell the canteen I want my turon ready by 9:45 and the palabok by 2:45 sharp.
Okay, be. Noted.
That lettering. Happy anniversary. Not happy yet.
Sige, paayos ko, be.
What about the backdrop? Where are we on that?
Bali, nabuo na siya ng Hume student kagabi, tas i-install na lang siya mamayang hapon ng boys pagkatapos nila ng ROTC, tas na-secure na din yung permit.
Perfect. Thank God someone came to school today. What about the stage props?
Bali, yung mga potted plants, i-arrange natin siya, tas yung may mga flowers, ilalagay
We did
natin.
that for Nutrition Month. What else?
Galing din kasi kami sa stock room, be, tas nakita namin ang daming banderitas. Pwede natin siyang ilagay.
Banderitas? For Foundation Day. Groundbreaking.
Di ba parang fiery perseverance yung team this year? So what if maglagay tayo ng fire effect tsaka ng smoke machine?
No. Did anyone bring anything useful to school today? Facial tissue, perhaps?
Eto tissue, be,
Smells good. What is this?
It's the Kleenex Aromatherapy Rose-Scented Facial Tissue. It's your favorite tissue, but infused with a natural blend of rose essential oils for an instant mood boost. And it's hypoallergenic.
Let's buy more of this.
Sige, be, bili tayo sa Watson since exclusively available lang siya doon tsaka sa mga online shops nila. Pero pwede din natin silang abangan sa 99 sale nila sa TikTok para makarami tayo.
I need 10 or 15 working titles for this project.
Bakit ang dami?
Please bore someone else with your questions. And make sure we have the gym at 8 a.m. tomorrow. And remind Miss Duañas I need to see some of those pop-ups that the grade 10 are putting up on the event grounds. And tell the principal I'll take the security guards if the guidance isn't available. Is the Cup of Joe performance confirmed?
May Cup of Joe tayo?
Did they confirm? Get them on the phone.
Okay.
And Jesselyn?
Yes?
That's all.
Tanggap ko naman, Te, na tapos na. Pero di ko lang talaga maiwasang malungkot.
Okay lang yan, Te. Ako nga naalala nyo, noong 2020, yung sumabay yung breakup ko sa pagka-layoff ko sa work, grabe talaga mental health ko nun, Te. Hindi nga ako nag-therapy ng mga ganyan, di ba? Kalulugmok, magmumukmok, oo, pero magiging okay ka din eventually.
Pero siguro, te, what would help? Mag-leave ka muna, mag-travel ka.
Ay, oo, Te. Alam mo ako, nung time na yon, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-travel. Naku, titingnan mo yung IG highlights ko noong 2021. Gayahin mo yun, Te, or gawin mo inspo.
Basta, te, remember, andito lang kami for you. Pasasaan ba't magiging okay ka din?
Oo, Te, magiging okay ka din. Tingnan mo ako, sinong mag-aakalang ikakasal na ako sa December?
Ate, bakit po ikaw ang nagla-live, hindi si Santa? Busy kasi si Santa. Nasa Batangas siya ngayon. Nag-open kami ng bagong location. Kaya watch out kayo doon. May mga bago tayong campaigns. Participate kayo doon para naman malipat na kayo sa nice list next year. Sis, anong lip tint mo? Ito sis. Ang ganda, no? Ito siya, sis. Sobrang ganda. Link ko na lang sa baba. Ito din yung gamit ni Rudolph, kaya siya red nose. Ate, bakit po nasa naughty list ako? At Rika Babe 22, be, ang hiningi mo ba naman kay Santa is 6'2" na chinitong nangi-headlock. Malamang nasa naughty list ka talaga. Maghunos dili ka. That's true. By the way, guys, may important announcement tayo. We are experiencing a budget cut, a major budget cut this year. Kaya medyo dahan-dahan tayo sa mga wishlist. Apple Watch 8 lang po. Gebe, pag-pray mo. Sabi lang na walang budget eh. Pag DN Max, wag na lang. At Kuya John 5R, Kuya, sana okay ka lang. Kala mo naman talaga may patago. Ate, broken pa din ako sa hiwalayang Katniel. Baka need ko mag-Barcelona to recover. At Vera Girl, hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine. Charot. Hard pass ulit doon, be. Wala nga budget. Ay, be, alam ko na. Ganto. Dumaan kasi ako sa 7-Eleven kanina. Tapos, nakita ko na meron silang Wish Upon a Cup promo. Oo, kaya depende sa size ng drink na bibilihin mo. It's either City Cafe, Gulp, or Prima Drink. Ito yung mga prices na mapapanalunan nyo. Flash ko na lang sa screen. Screenshot na lang tayo mga sis Mars. Oo, eto. Ayan. Pero ako sa'yo, Ate Vera girl, dito ka na sa malaki, dun sa large. Kasi ito yung may trip for 4 to Barcelona na price. Oo. Naku, madali lang sumali si Mars. After mo magbayad ng drink, scan mo lang yung QR code sa likod. Tapos, yun, pwede ka na mag-register. Follow mo lang yung prompt. And by the way, pag click app user ka naman, automatic 2 times yung entry mo dun sa promo. Oo. Pag hindi ka naman click app user, of course, isa lang. So, ano silbi nyo this Christmas, ate? Ako! Wala, be. Ganda-ganda lang. Char! Steven Bansit. May endo na kasi ako, be. Saka nagantay-antay lang ako ng 13th month. Kaya, ayun. Also, hi, Santa. You're back. Nagla-live kasi ako, boss. Sorry.
Bestie, 2 days na natin inaakit ang bundok. Sure na ba to? Bestie, kapit ka lang. Saka diba, sabi sa alamat, if you reach the tuk-tuk, there's like a diwata there that would grant you a wish. Ito na yung chance ko to find my the one. Valentine's Day na, oh. Ewan ko sa'yo, mukha kang orange na Dora. Ha? Hola! Soy Dora! Ano ba kasi hanap mo? Gusto ko lang naman yung andyan siya pag kailangan ko. Someone who can protect me. Naalala mo yung Dino?
No, it's nothing serious. It's just my asthma. But can you please drive me home?
Babe, sabi ko naman sa'yo nasa work ako. Di ako makakalis dito. May importante akong client. Magangkas ka na muna.
Someone who shares the same passion as me. Someone who knows my needs. Si Kev. Babe, look, I made a collage of all the mountain peaks na napuntahan ko last year.
Yeah, babe. Looks good. Ayun na! Buli mo! Buli mo!
Yeah. Yung super dali lang kasama, siya, mag-a-adjust for me. Hindi complicated. Not Carlos. I am so gutom. Gusto ko ng heavy. Kuya, what can you recommend?
She'll take the Caesar salad.
Yes, yung Caesar salad, please.
Also, what's taking you guys so long to take the order? We've been waiting here for...
Isa na talaga worth ito, bestie. Pero in fairness sa'yo, red flag lahat ng exes mo, no? Dati kang flagpole. OMG, bestie! Nandito na tayo! Hello, Diwata! Hello, magpakita ka! Diwata! 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 Bestie. Right, you shan't. For one wish, I shall grant.
Sandali, laki ng braso ng Diwata, oh. Oh, ha?
Taray, British accent yung Diwata. Nandito na siya! Oh my God! You're real! The one! I wanna meet the one for me!
I heard all the qualities that you're looking for earlier. Very well. I shall grant you your wish.
Yes, yon. Tapos Pogi, Borta, my car, CEO na Sagittarius.
Maganda rin, Mars.
Pero eto ang the one na meron ako. FWD, the one for life insurance cover. It is a life insurance plan that you can personalize depending on your needs. Like you, Gen Zs, you love adventures. You can add accidental death cover. For the protection. See, someone who supports your passion and what you need. Unlike your ex, Kevin. But wait, there's more. You can buy this in minutes. No medical tests required. Readily available. Unlike Dino. You just go to shop.fwd.com.ph to purchase. It's not as complicated as your ex, Carlos.
Okay, I'm sold. Eto lang pa rin, bestie. Eto na yung sagot. Eto na yung dawan ko. Eto na! Aray, bestie, bangin! Ingat naman, bestie. Alam kong covered ka na, pero huwag mo naman experience agad-agad. O nga, imatik na.
That is why you should always say yes to the one that protects you.
Bonjour, mon ami. I am back with another tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to pronounce vegetables French edition. First, we have repollet, condule, ségérelier, ukre,
Okla.
the string beans, this is called citoire.
Araywa. May dai. Si Tao.
And finally, the most nutritious, moulangi. จริงๆแล้ว malunggay. Excusez-moi, mademoiselle. Who are you? สวัสดีค่ะ นันนอนนะคะ
Uy, part 6 na to. Ayoko na. Wala na akong maisip.
Girl, ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. Alam mo yung parang may pumipitik-pitik. Hala ka, girl. Ganyan nangyari sa pinsan ko eh. Ayun, wala na siya dito ngayon. Oh, girl. Nasa Canada na. Doon siya namatay.
Ma pussiness is liquid. They seduce and I must confess, I changed the phones. When I'm cooking steak, I smack my ass. Give me day. Fuck me, poppy, one more time. Poppy.
Ninang, nabalitaan mo ba tong recent solar eclipse? Wild, no? Naalala ko tuloy yung balita last year, yung threat daw ng solar flare storm. Mawawalan daw tayo ng internet.
What a shame. I was really hoping for it. So that you'll get over your kahibangan over social media.
Nagmamaasim na naman siya. At saka Ninang, yung mga artista, naghihiwalayan recently. Diyos ko, engaged na, naghihiwalay pa. Pwede pa pala yun? Yung iba naman, 11 years. 11 years, naghihiwalay pa. Unbelievable. Pahingi ako, Ninang.
Unbelievable is when you are already 30 years old and yet you are still single.
Hindi ko alam, Ninang, kung ano mas maasim. Ikaw o itong suka mo.
Don't be such a wuss. Here, drink this. It is best paired with Royal.
Bagay nga, Ninang. Leveled up ang snakulitan with Royal. By the way, Ninang, how do you like my outfit for today? It's giving sweet girl. Gustuhin. Habulin.
Ng plancha,